Where are you going? I don't want that you will go to my house.
Yeah, me too.
I tell my daughter to call the man who takes snacks. She knows him. And I send her a picture to know if it's one of the killers. Look!
Yeah, climbing up the tree.
Never been. Look!
Oh my God.
Did you see something like this?
What does he want?
You can come, sit on the chair, and they come to visit you.
Yeah. Think I let him get up here?
I never seen like this.
Throw him with the sand if he wants to come up here.
No, it's not help. You need to catch him in the hand, in the head, and I am afraid.
What if he comes up here?
Look. Excuse me? You know about snakes? If it's dangerous or not? Do you know about it? It's dangerous, it's not dangerous. I will see. יש לי